In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Pipedrive account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pipedrive's website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll have a clear view of your sales pipeline and account information. Once you're logged in and have a look at your dashboard, you'll want to find the option to open More Options. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you should see 3 small dots, sometimes referred to as a hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. They'll reveal a pop-up menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to Import. Click on the option that says Import Data. Now, this may seem counterintuitive since we're exporting data, but it's part of the pathway to find what we need. In the Import section, you'll notice various options available to you. Next, what you need to do is switch to Export. Within this Import menu, you'll find the Export Data option. Clicking on that will allow you to prepare the file that you need for export. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to locate the right option here to grab your data correctly. After you click on Export Data, it's time to download your data. You'll see a button that says Export. Go ahead and click that button. What's happening behind the scenes is Pipedrive is processing your information. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Once your information is processed, your data file will automatically begin to download directly to your device. This file is generally in a .csv format, which is widely used and can be opened by various spreadsheet software applications like Excel or Google Sheets. When your download is complete, you can find the file in your Downloads folder or wherever it is set to save on your device. Open it up and voila! You have successfully exported your data from Pipedrive. Now, remember that this file contains valuable information, so make sure to handle it appropriately. Whether you're analyzing your sales performance, sharing it with a team member, or backing it up for safekeeping, this data is at your fingertips now. And that's it. You've just learned how to export data from Pipedrive in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. It really does make a difference